Okay, my heroes, today we will continue with the second lesson in chapter 4, relate multiplication and division. What we're going to do today, we will continue with these questions, then we will solve real life problems like this one. To start, I want you to open your books page. Tell me, what page is this?
165. Teacher, I do
Great.
number 9.
Okay, and that's great. Go ahead, everyone, open your books page 165. Okay, so before we start, I want to remind you about the main idea here. In this lesson, we have something called fact family. Do you remember the fact family? How many equations in the fact family?
Yes. There's 4 equations.
Excellent, we have 4 equations in the fact family. Okay, we solved question number 7 and 8 yesterday.
Teacher.
But let's remember
What is the page, teacher?
165. So, I will write the fact family for question number 7. We have 2, 5, and 10. And the fact family in this case, we should have 2 multiplication equations and 2 division equations. The 2 multiplication equations are 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10 and 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. So as you see, we can change the order of factors. And the 2 division equations, remember, you use the dividend first, and the dividend is the total. So it's 10 first, then divide by any of the 2 numbers. 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and the other one is 10 divided by 5 equals 2. You can use a model, an array, to show this. 2 rows of 5 and the total is 10. Okay, now let's start with question number 9. Second. Ibrahim Fahad?
Yes, teacher.
In question number 9, would you please read the question for us?
Okay. Find each row text. Match the multiplication fact with the related division fact.
Okay, so the first thing that we should do, we should find the product. The first one, 6 multiplied by 4.
6 multiplied by 4. 24.
Excellent. Okay, now I want you to look at the division equations.
Okay.
Which one is related to this one?
What?
Which one of the division equations here
Yes.
is related to this multiplication equation?
The 4th.
The fourth one, the last one. Okay,
Yes.
so let's match these two. This one with this one. Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. Great work. Ahmad Anwar,
Yes, teacher.
go ahead. The next one, 8 multiplied by 2.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
What is 8 multiplied by 2, Ahmad?
16.
Again?
16.
Okay. Now, which division equation is related to this multiplication equation?
16 by 2
Sultan,
equals
mute
8.
your mic. Again, Ahmad?
16 divided by 2 equals 8. 16 divided by 2 equals 8.
Excellent. So let's match this one to 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Thank you, Ahmad. Good work. Hassan Sam.
Yes, teacher.
The next one.
3 multiply 9 equal 27.
Okay, and which division equation is related to this one?
27 divided by 3 equal 9.
The first one?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Hassan. Khalid Sehlawi.
Yes, teacher. 7 multiply 1 equals 7. So, the 7 divided 1 equals 7.
Excellent, thank you, Khalid. Okay, now my heroes, please finish writing quickly.
Teacher, I finished it yesterday.
Great. Okay, now in question number 10, is 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24 part of the fact family for 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24, and we need to explain our answer. Anas Tamim?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, do you agree that 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24 is part of the fact family of 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24? Okay, let's see 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. What is the fact family here?
3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. 8 multiplied by 3 equals 24. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 24 divided by 3 equals 8.
Excellent. So 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24 is one of these equations?
No.
No, so the answer should be no. And the reason is you can write the equations and also you can explain this saying that 4 and 6 are not the same numbers in this fact family. 4, 6, and 24. 4 and 6, we have the 24. So 4 and 6 are not part of the fact family of 3, 8, and 24. We should use the same numbers. Thank you, Anas. Great work. So let's write the answer, my heroes. So the numbers. Okay, let's write because 4 and 6 are not parts or part of the fact family of 3, 8, and 24. Because we should use the same numbers, 3, 8, and 24. Okay, go ahead, my heroes. You finish writing quickly.
I finished, teacher.
Okay, Radi. When you finish, please do not use your mic. Khalid, Anas, Usama, Abdullah, Sultan. Please lower your hands. Go ahead, everyone. Finish writing quickly. Khalid Walid. Khalid Walid.
Yes.
Do you have any problems?
Teacher. Teacher. Teacher.
Do you have any problems?
Teacher.
Do you hear me? Khalid, do you hear me? Khalid Walid.
Teacher.
Okay, maybe
Teacher,
you have
are
a
you hear
problem
me?
with your device. I hear you, but maybe you have a problem with your speakers.
Teacher, we have problem
Okay,
with
Khalid.
the mic.
Khalid. I cannot hear.
I don't know what
you cannot hear me.
you
So
say.
mute your mic and try to
I
solve
don't
your
raise
problem.
my hand.
Yes.
What you say?
Do you hear me?
Now you are hear me?
I can hear you. If you cannot hear me,
Teacher,
check
are
your
you
device. Do you see
Anyone
me?
talk?
I'm speaking, my hero. Okay, is there anyone writing?
Teacher, I don't hear you. Me, teacher. Teacher?
Okay, quickly, my heroes.
I finished. Teacher, I finished it.
Okay, Khalid.
I didn't finish.
Okay, Ahmed. I'm waiting.
Teacher, I am finished with Tahir.
You don't need to tell me, Tahir.
Teacher, I didn't.
10 seconds and we move to the next page. Yes, Sultan, any problems? Okay, now, is there anyone writing?
Water, teacher. Me, teacher. My name is my book. Teacher, I was looking in my book.
Okay, finish quickly, Marwan. 10 more seconds. Quickly, my heroes.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, Ahmed. Is there anyone writing? Okay, let's move to the next
Me.
page. In the next page, we have this question. I will use this page. Your teacher divides the items shown equally among 9 students. Write 2 equations that you can use to show how many straws each student gets. Okay, I will read the question again, but this time we need to focus what we have and what we need to do.
Teacher, now I can hear you, but before this I can't hear you.
Okay, now you fixed the problem. Okay, Khalid, it's okay. So your teacher divides the items shown, these items. What items do we have? We have toothpicks, containers of clay, and straws. Among 9 students. So he is dividing the items among 9 students equally. We need to write 2 equations that you can use to show how many straws. So the question is about straws. As you see here, we have straws here. So to show how many straws each student gets, we have the total number of straws. What is the total number of straws?
54. 54.
54. So
54.
let's start writing the equations. The first equation that we need is the division equation. Khalid Shridi.
Yes, teacher.
Give me the division equation. The total is 54, and you are dividing the 54 among 9 students equally.
54 divided by 27.
Oh,
no,
why?
No, I mean 72.
No. The total number of straws.
I mean 9.
Okay, and what is 54 divided by 9?
I'm confused.
What is 54 divided by 9? What?
7.
Oh, no.
6.
54 divided by 9 equals, as you see here, we have this array, 54 in all, and divided into 9 equal rows.
Okay, 8, 9 has...
How many in each row? How many counters in each row?
6.
So the answer is
6.
Yes. Thank you, Khalid. And now, my heroes, let's see the multiplication equation. Radi?
Yes, teacher.
Give me a related multiplication equation to the division equation that we have, or to the array for the same array.
6.
Yes? Multiplied by?
6 multiply. 9.
Yes, equals? Six multiplied by 9 equals 54, or 9 multiplied by 6 equals 54. Both are correct. Okay, thank you, Radi. My heroes, I want you to finish writing and drawing. Then I want you to solve.
I finished, teacher.
Okay, solve questions 11 and 12 in the same page. Questions 11 and 12 in the same page. When you finish solving questions 11 and 12, you can just raise your hand. Khalid Walid, you keep raising your hand. Did you finish? Questions 11 and 12? Radi?
Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. We finished.
Raise your hand when you finish. Okay, thank you, Khalid. Just raise your hand, okay. Is there anyone writing or drawing?
No.
Who is writing?
I am teacher. Why am bad?
Okay, Fahad, I'm writing for you. Quickly, Fahad.
Teacher?
Yes?
I don't know what you are doing, but you
Solve
are
questions 11 and 12.
You have lagging.
Okay, now let's move back to the book. And for these two questions, we need the same table. So I need to make it a little bit smaller so we can see the table at the same time. And let's solve
Teacher,
question
I didn't
11.
finish.
If you miss anything, please watch the video on Classera. Safe? Safe? Abdullah Jama? Abdullah Jama? Marwan? Marwan? What is the problem? Tamim Fahad? Saif, you are here and I asked you to answer me. Saif, answer me. Guys, when I call you, please answer me quickly. Respond, Saif. You are using your mic, but I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Anas Tamim?
Did you say Tamim?
Yes, Anas, go ahead.
Use the table above to write two equations that you can use to show how many containers of play each student gets.
Okay, this is the containers of play. How many in total do we have?
27.
Okay, give me the equation. The division equation first.
Teacher, 9.
Okay, Saif, I hear you. If you are ready, you'll solve the next question. Yes, Anas?
27. Can I read it again?
Divided by? How many students? Among 9 students, remember?
Yes.
So we are dividing by 9.
Dividing by 9.
Equals?
27 divided by 9 equals 3.
Okay, now give me a multiplication equation related to this division equation.
9 multiplied by 3 equals 27.
Excellent, thank you. Great work, my hero. Saif, are you ready? Can you use your mic now?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. The next question.
Use the table above to find how many more toothpick students will get them through.
Okay, so we need to find how many more toothpicks students will get than straws. These are the toothpicks, 72, and this is the number of straws. This is the total number. So we need
54.
again.
So 54 straws.
Okay, we need first to find how many toothpicks will each student get and how many straws will each student get. So for the toothpicks, we need to divide 72 among 9 students.
9 multiply.
So 72 divided by 9 equals?
By 9. 8.
Great. Now, for the straws, we need to divide 54 by 9. We did this before already in the equation itself, in the question here. We did it 54. We can do it again here, okay? 54 divided by 9.
54 divided by 9 equals 6.
Okay, now answer the question. How many more toothpicks will each student get more than straws? 8 minus 6.
8 minus 6?
Yes.
2.
So the answer should be 2 more toothpicks. 2 more toothpicks. Okay, thank you, Saif. Great work. Okay, my heroes, please finish writing quickly. Then we will move to question 13. Try to solve question 13, my heroes.
What is the page?
In the same page.
Teacher, we write only the answer or we do it all at...
Question number 13. Yes, do it all.
Oh.
Is there anyone writing?
Yes, me, teacher.
Okay, quickly, my heroes. I need to check some names. Tamim Fahad, Abdullah Juma,
Teacher.
Marwan, you are here?
Yes, Yes, teacher.
No, not you, Fahad. I said Tamim. Tamim, Marwan, Abdullah Juma.
I am here.
Oh, this is not Fahad. This is Tamim. Okay. And Marwan, you are here?
I am Tamim.
Okay. Okay, now I will raise this and move down. And Tamim, go ahead.
Yes.
Question 13, quickly.
Explain how a multiplication that can help you solve 3.
Okay. What is 30 divided by 3? Tamim.
Yes.
What is 30 divided by 3?
27.
No, divide.
10.
Okay. And if you need to explain this, you can say the reason as a multiplication equation. Okay, let's write it because. Because what is the multiplication equation for this one? The related multiplication equation?
3. 3 multiply 10 equals 30.
Excellent, thank you, my hero.
What?
Okay, my heroes, now I will send to you the link of the game.
I don't finish.
Okay, finish quickly, my hero.